Is this thing on? Okay, here I go. COVID-19 just slapped me and my plans were all ruined. I got this app just to see what everybody was doing. And I'm a quite shy guy, but I was feeling so shameless. Posted a vid online, now I'm internet famous. Look, I'm on TikTok, check out my TikTok. All of a sudden I think I can do some hip-hop. I've been so savage since I learned this little hip-hop. I had on this top, now check out this top. Follow my tick 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 tick. Follow my TikTok. I woke up the next day and my vids were trending. I said, Mom, look, I'm a star. She said, stop pretending. I got famous on a Wednesday, showed my mom on Thursday. She was posting vids by Friday cause she's so hella thirsty. Now she's on TikTok, my mom's on TikTok. My mom's so gangster, you should see her little crip walk. She did a body roll, she said, is this hot? I said, it's so not. Now could you please stop? Check out our tick 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 tick. Follow our TikTok. Now my mom and I